Hello, I've just received my new Bagless polycyclonic vacuum cleaner from Inventor, so let's open the box. To fit the hose, push it into the hose socket at the front of the appliance until it clicks into place. To remove the hose, press the button on the end of the hose and remove it from the appliance. Attach the larger end of the tube to the hose handle. Remove it by pressing the button and push the button up to adjust the tube to the desired length. Attach a cleaning nozzle to the end of the metal tube for different cleaning purposes. This is the dual position carpet floor brush, suitable for carpets and hard floors. Bristles extend for flat floors and retract for carpets. The parquet brush for wooden floors and tiles. The turbo brush for stairways and surfaces that are difficult to clean, particularly suitable for removing pet hair. The crevice nozzle for angles and areas that are difficult to reach. The furniture nozzle for sofas, curtains and furniture. And the dust nozzle for dusting shelves and furniture. The Bagless Epic Vacuum Cleaner MC78 has a powerful multi-cyclonic cylinder for a strong performance on all floor types with a 4+ rating. Its large dustbin capacity allows for more cleaning and less frequent emptying, and the compact design makes it easy to store and carry. Connect the power cord to a power source, and then press the on-off button located on the vacuum cleaner to start and stop. To rewind the power cord, remove from the power outlet and press the rewinding cord button. Filters should always be kept clean to achieve optimal performance. Clean the filters regularly, and it's recommended that you replace them once a year. Open the lid of the dust tank. Remove the sponge and pull the filter out of the dust tank. Empty all the accumulated waste. Wash the sponge under running water and dry thoroughly. Do not use any cleaning detergents. Place the filter and sponge into the dust tank. Check that the filter protrusion should be aligned with the relevant canal of the dust tank when placing into position. Close the lid and place the dust tank into the appliance. Be careful to check that the opening on the dust tank is aligned with the air inlet. To clean the inlet filter, remove the dust tank, remove the filter, rinse it and dry thoroughly before repositioning. The MC78 has a HEPA filter for absolute cleanliness in your home. It traps the finest particles of dust from your home, leaving a purified fresh air. excellent for allergy sufferers and asthmatics. To clean the HEPA filter, remove the filter cover, pull down on the tab on the HEPA filter, rinse under running water and allow to dry before replacing. Wipe the exterior of the vacuum cleaner, hose and brush with a damp towel to clean. Do not use any abrasive cleaning products or scouring pads to clean any part of the vacuum cleaner, as this may cause damage to the surface. The vacuum cleaner may be stored in its upright position on its base. Place the floor brush holder with the tubes into the storage clip located at the rear of the appliance. There's a comprehensive manual and other information available on the website. And don't forget to go online and activate your warranty.